Today we talk about watches, more precisely of the new Casio G-SHOCK collection. Good morning and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming videos, and if you want to take a look at our Twitter and Instagram profiles. Recently, Casio has released a new collection of G-SHOCK men's watches, the GA2100 series. The GA2100 series is an update to the original GA2100 series, introduced in 2019, with new interesting improvements which we will talk about shortly. The series is composed by 4 models, each with a different colorway: black with a GA2100 1A SKU, navy with GA2100 2A SKU, green with GA2100 3A SKU, and the yellow identified by GA2100 C9A SKU. The new watches are easily recognizable from the old ones by the letter B added to the model number, and this letter indicates the Bluetooth compatibility. The GA2100 has become as famous among Casio fans as Casio AK thanks to its octagonal bezel that recalls the design of Audemars Piguet Royal Oak. This new generation of G-SHOCK maintains the distinctive simple design of a previous version, characterized by a thin case and a carbon core guard structure. Regarding the dimensions, also bits remaining the same than the original version. The main body, size 48.5mm length, 45.4mm width, 11.9mm thickness, and it weighs 52 grams. Each Casio G-SHOCK GA2100 features a carbon fiber reinforced resin case which gives it a better watch protection and content to make the case as slim and compact as possible. As anticipated, the new GA2100 series presents some new characteristics. The first important notable update is this model adjusts the time not by GPS or radio wave, but periodically linking with a smartphone via Bluetooth. Through the Casio Watches app, the GA2100 connects itself to your smartphone via Bluetooth and automatically corrects the time 4 times a day. In the app history, you can check if the automatic time adjustment has been performed. The second improvement is a thin-like solar panel on the dial that converts power from even the weakest light sources, consenting to solar capabilities. The display content of a handle at 9 o'clock on the GA2100 indicates the current mode. In the display there are 8 nodes that indicate world time, stopwatch, timer, alarm, the Bluetooth connection mode, and the remaining battery level with 3 different levels: high, medium and low. Finally, the new Casio series is available at following prices: the black, navy and the green models for $150 each, while the yellow model, which has a black IP buckle, for $160. That's all for today. Waiting new updates. As always, let me know what do you think in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Huge thanks for watching. See you again next time.